Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P Routes back in the building. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we're about to make this trip to the post office, and I believe a package that I ordered is finally here. You know what I mean? So stick around for the rest of the video, and we're gonna see what it is. P Routes wristwatch love. Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P Rouse back in the building with another one. Now check this out, right? Today is December 4th, and I want to give a very, very special happy birthday shout out to my wife, Darlene, of 24 years. Happy birthday, babe. I love you. You all that, and you are the queen in my life. Now, let's get into this unboxing. Yes, I fell into the Aliexpress 11/11 sale, and the package arrived, and we're about to see what's up with it. You know what I mean? I don't know. We're about to see. We're about to check it out. So let's get into it. Okay, then, let's see. We got him. I don't know, but I am really highly disappointed in the packaging of this. This is a Corgeut. Last Corgeut I got, the packaging was great. You know what I mean? It was decent. Matter of fact, it came with this cloth. You know, this one comes with nothing but a styrofoam case and a bunch of bubble wrap and plastic. I mean, I guess I gotta appreciate the fact that it didn't get broke in transit. But, you know what I'm saying? Brother be expecting a little bit more packaging. You know what I'm saying? Something to make it look a little bit more lavish. But it's all good. We ain't in it for the packaging. We are in it for the watch. Now, look at this. This is the Corgeut Flieger. All right. Like I said, the last Corgeut I got, I really liked. You know what I'm saying? This has a sapphire crystal, stainless steel case, and it's a nice looking watch. I really liked this watch when I first saw it. That's why I bought it. And again, I took advantage of the Aliexpress 11/11 sale for the first time ever. This has is that genuine leather? Yes, it is genuine leather strap. You know what I mean? Yeah. So this is the unboxing. It also came with a NATO strap, and the NATO strap. This is the same one that's on my Corgeut Seamaster, and it's pretty decent. It's not flimsy. It's not none of that. You know what I mean? So, you know, it's decent. I like it. I like it a lot. You know what I mean? So we're gonna go ahead and try them on the wrist right quick, see what's up with it, and I'll try the NATO on the wrist too, see how that look. So just stand by and to set this joint right quick. It is 12:05 where I'm at. So we're gonna go ahead and run it like that. 12:05. There. It's kind of loud up under there, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Automatic movement. I believe it's that Miyota movement, but let's go ahead and put it on the wrist right quick and see how she looks. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's go. Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's not bad at all, baby. Yeah, I like that. I like the design of that buckle too. I like that. It's not bad at all, baby. Yeah, the Corgeut, baby. Now let's put the NATO on right quick. See how that look. Had to take the Sertina off, y'all, but I'm gonna give y'all a look at it. You know what I mean? On the flat straps, strap, you know what I mean? But bang, there it is on the NATO strap.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you, Merry Christmas. There it is. It looks decent on the NATO. The NATO a little bit too short though. I do have another Bond NATO I can put on here. It looks decent, you know what I mean? I like this look, you know what I'm saying? The Corgeut Flieger automatic, sapphire crystal, stainless steel case. Came with a NATO strap and this leather strap. It looked pretty dope. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get into it. Review coming soon. I don't know how soon. I got other shit to do. It's the holidays, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get into it, y'all. This your boy P. Ross, and we out. Ross Wristwatch Love.